Okay, perfect.
Then by the time we're done shopping, everyone's ready to cook and chill.
Cool, we can even get on a fire.
Yeah, dude. Very worth it.
What's up, guys?
You put the rings on the ring when you need.
This isn't a story told in order. It's a memory scattered like waves hitting the shore. Some moments blur, some stay vivid. A weekend of laughter, sailing, firelight, and brotherhood. With camping, cooking, sailing, growing together. I didn't film it all. Some moments were too good to capture. This is what it felt like, a weekend in Hermanus.